Hello guys and welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to delete a message from a conversation on Snapchat. So let's show you how to do it. So here, as you can see, I am on a chat, so I want to delete some of these messages. So to do that, you just have to hold down on the message that you want to delete, just like this. So it's this message, I really like you. And if you want to delete this, you have to click on the delete button. And here, as you can see, they say friends can see that you've been deleted something, but I think that it's okay. At least they won't see your message. So click on delete chat. And here, as you can see, they will see that you deleted a chat. So yeah guys, it's that simple. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can smash that like button and you can also subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to comment down below your thoughts and tell us if you liked or not this video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.